Hey guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. We're going to be making chocolate pound cake today. Y'all, this is going to be one of the best chocolate pound cakes you've ever tried. I kid you not. This recipe comes courtesy of my aunt, and I am excited to share this recipe with you guys. We'll put a chocolate glaze on top of the chocolate pound cake. Well, I may do, instead of a chocolate glaze, I think I'm just going to do a white glaze on top. This wonderful chocolate pound cake, y'all. It is excellent, and it's been in our family for a long time. So stay tuned for the best Southern made chocolate pound cake you're ever going to have in your life. All right, see you over here in just a second.